Hi there, this video is a demo of the KidZone application by Demo Mobile. I'll be using the HTC Evo by Sprint. When you first download KidZone from the Android market, you can go to the menu of applications on your phone, you click the KidZone icon, and it'll check your license to validate that it's a legitimate copy. When you hit the Start Wizard button, you can start the wizard to set up KidZone. Now I've already entered my default password of 0000. You can choose to make it whatever you like, and you enter your email address so that we can send you your password. In the event that you forget it, you always have it in your email and you can always get it back. So once you fill in your email address and the password that you want to secure KidZone with, you hit Next Step. It'll send you an email, and once that email is sent, it'll load all the applications on your phone. Now here's every application on my Evo device, and I'll be able to select which ones I want to be in KidZone. So I'll select Angry Birds, I'll select Amazon MP3, and I'll select Adobe Reader. And now those are the only applications that will be inside of KidZone. I'll hit Next Step, and it'll ask me about phone availability. While your kid is using your phone and they're in KidZone, do you want to allow incoming calls? Do you want to require a password to be entered to answer those calls? Or do you want to route the calls directly to voicemail? I'm going to choose to require password entry to answer because that's what I prefer. Then you hit Next Step, and you will be led to the last screen of the setup wizard, which is where you can elect to start KidZone and skip the wizard next time you start up. On certain devices, not on this device, but on certain HTC devices and others, you may have to hit Clear Current Default Launcher in order to start KidZone. What that does is that it clears the default home launcher temporarily and replaces it with KidZone for this particular use. So it won't mess up anything with starting up your device, but it'll allow you to use KidZone without having to clear the default launcher every time. So you hit Start KidZone, and if you'd like, you can use by default for this action, or you can just hit the KidZone button. The difference being that if you hit use by default for this action, if your son or anyone else repowers the device and turns it back on, even doing a hard reset, they'll still be in KidZone. If you don't click use by default for this action, it's fine. They can only get out by repowering the device, which is highly unlikely anyway. But I prefer to have it 100% secured, so I'll hit use by default for this action and launch KidZone. So here's KidZone, and here's every application in it. In the next video, I'll take you through a walkthrough and show you some of the cool features and benefits of using KidZone.